Folding smartphones have come a long way since their debut this year. They've evolved from being futuristic and exciting, albeit a bit buggy, to refined, reliable devices that fit seamlessly into our daily lives. While prices are gradually becoming more accessible as technology advances, foldables are still a significant investment. In this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best foldable phones of 2025. Links for more product information are included in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the most feature-packed foldable phone available. It offers numerous options for running multiple apps in multiple windows, along with productivity tools and shortcuts integrated throughout the system. This makes it ideal for power users and perfect for business use. However, some users may not like the slimmer cover display, which Samsung claims makes the phone easier to use one-handed when closed. Nevertheless, the power and performance of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are undeniable. It is the fastest foldable phone currently available, and its cameras are the best among all foldable phones tested. Samsung's camera modes excel in capturing food photos and nature close-ups. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 supports Samsung's S Pen, making it the only foldable phone for those seeking a drawing tablet on the inside, not just a larger display. While it is one of the most expensive foldable phones on the market, it offers more features than its competitors. Number 4. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the first foldable phone we've reviewed that feels completely normal, no matter how you use it. The cover display is the exact same as the screen on the Google Pixel 9, no more and no less. The inner display is the largest screen ever stuffed into a foldable phone at the time. No matter how you use it, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is easy and satisfying. It has some incredibly useful AI tricks, along with other photo AI tools that are almost magical, and some photo reimagined tools that can be downright scary. Whether you are a fan of AI or not, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the best phone to give all of Google's AI advances a try. The cameras on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold are decent, with excellent zoom on par with the best camera phones. The image quality isn't quite as good as we'd hope for such an expensive phone, but we can definitely see that foldable cameras are getting better. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold isn't quite as powerful as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and it isn't as stylish as the OnePlus Fold, but it has the right combination of slim design, advanced features, and amazing screen quality to make it my favorite foldable phone for this year. Number 3. OnePlus Open Foldable. The OnePlus Open gives us everything we want in a foldable phone that we weren't getting before. It has great cameras, especially for portraits and selfies. It also has the best design of any big foldable phone, especially if you're willing to pay a bit more for the OnePlus Open Apex Edition, which comes in a crimson shadow color and includes 1 terabyte of storage. In classic OnePlus fashion, the OnePlus Open is a flagship killer, so you get great specs, especially when it comes to the phone's performance and the great displays inside and out. You also get a cool design, all for a lower price than most competitors. Don't be scared off by the phone's price tag. OnePlus is making it easy to get an even bigger discount if you have any phone to trade. The OnePlus Open admittedly comes with some compromises that you won't find on a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. It isn't water-resistant, while Samsung's phone can take a dive underwater. It doesn't have S Pen support or a ton of great productivity features like Samsung has. That doesn't matter because the OnePlus Open is built right, while the Samsung Fold just feels wrong. It's too narrow when closed, while the OnePlus Open feels perfect. If you want a tablet foldable phone for less, there's only one to consider. Number 2. Motorola Razr Plus 2024. The Motorola Razr Plus 2024 was engineered to outshine its 2023 predecessor, and it largely achieved this goal. Boasting a larger cover display, a variety of fresh color options, and convenient shortcuts and features, the phone offers an enjoyable user experience. Despite its many positive attributes, it was overshadowed by Samsung in terms of durability and performance, especially in the camera department. Nevertheless, The Razr Plus 2024 remains an engaging and attention-grabbing device, standing out in a crowd in the most favorable way. Whether you're ending a call or taking a break from social media, this phone never fails to captivate with its satisfying snap closure and expansive, vibrant display. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 stands out as the most powerful and dependable flip phone currently available in the market. While it may not offer the same level of amusement as the Motorola Razr Plus 2024, it compensates by delivering a durable and robust performance. Surprisingly, Samsung's AI features are both enjoyable and practical, making this phone a standout choice. It is one of the few Samsung phones where I find myself wishing for even more of Samsung's advanced software features. With an extensive array of options and customizations, navigating through them all can be quite a challenge. Fortunately, Bixby emerges as the most reliable voice assistant to assist in maximizing the phone's capabilities. Additionally, Samsung's other AI features such as writing assistance prove to be valuable without overstepping any AI boundaries. The design of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 represents Samsung's most refined approach to a flip phone, offering a remarkably solid build. Unlike other flip phones that raise concerns about their durability after prolonged use, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 exudes a sense of longevity, feeling as if it can endure countless flips. Furthermore, the vibrant color options are even more appealing when seen in person. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out our latest videos.